bite. Phew. It's in. About time.
Whoa, not bad size either.
We're going to flip then. And I get my bait back.
Yorkshireman.
That's what I always bite as a tick. What we're going for with that? 16. This is for the 1008th subscriber. There you go. I can catch fish. It is. So, you've just seen I had that fish. That was first thing within 20 minutes of getting here. Hope that ain't the fish of death or whatever they call it. Just having a wander down here, see what's down here. Bloody hell. Look at all this here. Won't be taking that rubbish home with me. Tarpaulin. Wow. That's huge. Wonder how far that goes. So yeah, like I say, just had that one fish. 1,000 subscribers, what about that? That's amazeballs. I think I might come down here actually. Yeah, 1,000 subscribers, gotta say. Huge, 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 massive thank you to everybody that subscribed. Yeah, all the likes and comments once again. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, appreciate it. Right, I'm gonna go see if I can get another fish on the bank. I'm still reeling in. Oh.
Do you want a hand net in it?
Yeah, I think it's only a little thing. Speed it took off. I could say it dragged me down bank.
I was just looking for your float, I couldn't see it.
Just a little one. That's second time. There we go. I'm gonna go in here now. Hey up. So, back on the Yorkshire River. I'm sure you'll all know this river. I'm not going to tell you where it is, but if you know, you know. Quick setup, same as usual. £80 Power Pro braid, float. There's a stop bead way up there. I have a couple of beads on there at the bottom of my float. It's down to a swivel. Got a buffer bead on top of there to stop my float banging on the knot. Then up trace, probably about 1.5 foot up trace. That's off Predator Pursuits terminal tackle. On there I've got a sliding run ring, large one with a 3-ounce lead on, another buffer bead onto a swivel, my clip and my wire trace, size 4 hooks, and I've got a trout on today. Bait flags. Only reason I use bait flags, I don't use them as an attractant, don't think it makes a difference. Only reason I use them, I put them on my barbed hook point, which lets me know where the barb is. No one else, I know where that barb is. Keep away from it because I don't want it in my finger. Anyway, let's get fishing, let's get cracking. Let's get a fish on the bank. Watch me fall down this bank now. Oh, if you know where I am, you'll know exactly what I mean by falling down this bank. There we go, we're fishing. In another peg, didn't catch out in that first one. Just a quick chat about the first peg I sat in. All that line, there must be 100 yards of line there. Take it home with you. I don't get it. Take it home with you. What else did I find? Just put that there. Cheap wire trace. Cheap green things. Bin them. Don't even buy them. What else did I find? Hook link. Found a hook link. Put it in your tool bin, your kit. Take it home, just chuck it in bin. Load of braid. And in there is some mono. Not a lot, I know, but just take it home with you. Take it home. Could be in here. I think so. Got a couple of little ripples off it, so just let something develop. Come off. Come off. Gutted. Can't even be a couple of pound. Let's get it unhooked. It's a little jackster. Beauty. Pop a bit of oil in, all the way up its body. Bit of oozing, a bit too much, but there you go. Early finish today, so I thought I'd pop down to my local river. Just have a couple of hours down here. It has been really cold. It's been minus 3s, minus 4s up here. The last few days it is now 0, so it's a bit warmer. It's a bit warmer. Yeah, so we'll see if we can maybe get a fish on back. A couple of 3 hours on the bank, not on my back. A couple of 3 hours I'm going to have here. And then I'm going to get off home. So yeah, just casting. Usual setup. I'm on a float. I'm on a trout today. Usual predator pursuits, tackle, usual stuff. So yeah, let's hope we can get one on bank. I had a small fish on Tuesday up on the swale, just a couple of pound. I ain't bothered doing a video. I didn't see the point. Yeah, let's see if we can get one on bank. So I've just put it on a pop-up now because I noticed there were a bit of weed on the bait when I brought it in, and I've actually chucked it into the middle of the river because there's absolutely no flow at all on this river. The river has dropped considerably. So yeah, I've chucked it into the middle of the river. It's a bit deeper there, and with it being a bit colder they might have dropped down into deeper water. Yeah, let's leave it there and see how we get on. Fingers crossed, that's all we can hope for.